Hello, this is Calvin. Today we want to look at CBC exam report system with report card generation and SMS module. This CBC system actually begins from PP1 to grade 9, right? So first and foremost, let us log in. So the username, admin, then the password, you put your password. Okay, password can be changed from here. So just put your own, you can show hide password. Okay, so let us click login. So login successful. So once we are logged in, you will be able to see that we have very many modules, almost 21 areas. So the first one is the module where we add teachers. So this helps in registering streams, like for example, class teachers. So we need to have teachers registered into this particular system. So you click add a teacher, then you will have to put the teacher's name, here, then you save, all right? So you can also edit the teacher, you just put in the teacher's code, then you search, then the teacher's code not found, right? So you put code, let us put code maybe 6, okay? So if it's there, this one is there. So you just update anything, then you click update. You can as well search like that, then delete. Then you can also delete all teachers, all right? So that is the adding teacher module. Then we also have adding streams. So here we are able to add streams because actually the streams helps in registering students. When we'll be registering students, each student will be having or will be in a particular stream. So we need to add those streams first. So we need the stream alias. So stream alias is the short form. So you can say maybe grade 1 A or grade 1 green or A. You will know how you actually name your streams. So it can be grade 7, maybe C. Okay, then you add the class teacher. So this one is why we're adding the teachers, so that the teachers will be in this particular drop down list. So you just select the appropriate class teacher for this particular stream. So just select, then you save. Then you can also edit the stream, all right? Okay, just put the stream roll number. So like you can say 10, then the details appear here. Then you can change even the class teacher, all right? Then you update. Then you can also delete all the streams, all right? Then we also have adding students module. So this one will be able to add the students into the system because the system requires students and their scores to manage. So the students must be added into this particular system. So you need a class. So remember, we have baby up to grade 9, right? So you just select the class where you want to add the students, then admission number, maybe 12, maybe 20, then you put the name, then you select the stream where the student is going to be admitted or where the student is going to be added. Then you save. So you can also update the student. Just select the class, maybe grade 2. Then you select, you put in the admission number, maybe 12 23. Then you search. When you search, if the admission number is there, you'll be able to get the details, okay? So you put the class, you select the class, let's say class grade 4, right? Then this one you can select the admission number, maybe 1240. Then you search, so you can see the details of these students have already come. Then you can update any detail, right? Then you click update. You can also delete this particular student if you want. Then the next way of adding students to this particular system is to import the list. So you can import the list. For example, we need to add maybe grade 7 students into this system. So you simply come and say, let me import list. So you want to import the list of which class? Let me say we want to import list for grade 7. Okay, grade 7. Then we submit. So you're being reminded that you have to have Excel format with headers, admission, name, and stream. With admission in A1, name in B1, stream in C1 cells. Then that particular sheet should be named students. Then if you are sure that's the format you have taken, then you are sure you are good to go. So you just click OK. So then it will lead you to the file dialog, which will help you to select the folder where the list is. Mine is in this particular folder, import list. So we are importing grade 7, okay, grade 7 list. So once you've selected that, you just open, then the process is on. So once the process is complete, it will actually guide you appropriately, or it will give you some notification, okay. So that is another way of adding students into this particular system, because adding one by one can sometimes be cumbersome, and it can take a lot of time, right? So now we've added or we've imported the students into the system. So this is notification. So just say validate, and that's how you've added all the grade 7 students into the system. All right. So then now we have adding subjects. So without subjects, the system is not going to work. It's not going to work without subjects. So you need subjects, because actually we know that the system, or rather, different classes have different subjects. Like the subjects taken in grade 1 are not the same as subjects taken in grade 9 or grade 8 or PP1. So they're different. Like, for example, PP1, PP2, they take, I think, 5 subjects. Grade 1 up to grade 3, they take 7 subjects. Then grade 4 up to grade 6, they take 8 subjects. Then grade 7 up to grade 9, they take 9 subjects. So you see there's a difference. So you need to add subjects. So just select your class. So let's say maybe grade 1. Then you put the subject alias here. So if it is English you want to add, just put the alias, the short form, then the full name of that particular subject, like that. Okay, I think we're clear. Then you save. So with that you have saved the first subject in grade 1. So you save all the subjects in grade 1 in that particular format, then up to grade 9. All right. Then you can also update subject just by selecting the class. You just select the class, for example, grade 4. Then here you can put the short form of the subjects, then you search, then you update, right? So you can also do the subject allocation, because each and every subject must have a teacher. So at this particular model, you are able to go to the subject allocation also. After adding all those subjects in that particular way, you go to subject allocation, then you are able to allocate teachers, subjects in all the classes. So just select the class, for example, grade 2. Then you will have to give the appropriate teachers, like grade 9 for example. Then you put in the teacher who will be in charge of that particular subject, okay. Then you save. So that is how you add subjects into the system. Then fee balances, this one is optional. You can always import fee arrays using the Excel format, like we imported the students. So also you need to prepare a sheet with the names of the students, where we have admission number, name, and balances. Admission number, name, balance. Then the sheet should be named fee balances. Then you are able to import that particular fee arrays into this particular system. This one is optional, because there are certain schools, like for example government schools, CBC, we don't pay fee at this moment. So the private schools, this one is very important. So you just come here, select, for example, you can select, let's say baby. You can select any, so baby, then you submit. So you are importing fee arrays. So you submit. So it's telling you that the format should be admission number, name, balance. The sheet should be named fee balances. Then if you're sure that's the format you've taken, put OK. Then it takes you to the folder where you have put in the fee balances. Like here we have baby fee, okay. So just click baby fee, so that you import the fee balances for baby class. So this one means the operation or the process is successful, just validate. So you're sure all the fee balances of baby students or baby class pupils have been imported. So you close that. So that's how you will import the fee balances. Then promotion here, when it comes to promotion, it's very important for a new year. So you have to exit topmost class, then you elevate streams in each class, Then you promote students in each class. Okay, so you will have to exit the topmost class. Okay, then you put okay. I don't want to elevate or promote at this point. Then if you want to actually elevate the streams, just to come to the class where the stream is. So baby, all the streams in baby, we have baby A, for example. We've added them in add stream. So baby A, then baby A, you want to take that stream to baby B, not baby but PP1B. Then you submit. Then you go to baby A. So you make sure all the streams are elevated in baby. So you can okay, sorry, you go to baby B, baby it was baby A. So we go to baby A, right? It was baby B. So we are promoting baby A. So baby A, PP1A. Then you submit. Then you go to PP1. PP1 streams you need to elevate. You elevate to an existing stream in the higher ladder. So PP1 we have PP1 PP1A. So PP1A you want to elevate it to PP2A. So you elevate it to the corresponding class in the higher ladder. Okay. Then you submit. So until you clear all of them in PP1, then you go to until you reach grade 9. Grade 9, then you have not grade 9 but grade 8, because grade 9 we exit. So grade 8, you will have grade 8A. For example, grade 8A will be promoted to grade 8 to grade 9A, grade 8A to grade 9A, all right? The corresponding one in the higher ladder, then you submit. After that, you will now promote all the students. So you grade 8, you say grade 8 are going to grade 9, then you promote until you promote all the students in all the classes. With that one, you shall have promoted all the students, okay? Then we also have upload photos. For upload photos, this one is very important for report cards. You have to import photo lists, then eventually upload photos. So let's have we upload the photos. So we want to upload photos for grade 7. So grade 7, okay. Then you submit. Please ensure your list is in Excel format with the headers admission name stream, right? We have that. So now we want to import photo list first. So after importing the photo list, it will take us to upload photos, okay? So let us import the photo list first. The process is on. We are importing photo list. So after importing photo list, it will actually bring another form. This one here already you can see there's a difference. This is another form for upload photos now. So we are uploading photo for grade 7. After importing photo list, you now have grade 7 photos. So it takes you to which folder where the photos of grade 7 students here. Then you can see photos here. So we can just say we select all of them by pressing Control A, then you open. So that one means now you've imported grade 7 photos. So you say successful. So you can see how nice and how seamless it is. So that is uploading photos. Then school details you're seeing here. This one we are able to just change the school details. So you have to uh, actually put in that particular login, the login details. Then it will pop up. This particular form will pop up. So where you can put the details very easily. Then after putting all those details, you are able to save the changes. So after saving the changes, you can also put the principal sign. So principal sign, very easy, just click that, then you put the principal name here, then you submit. As you submit, it's going to lead you to a form which is going to lead you to upload the principal signature, okay? So that is great. Then we also have term dates. For term dates, this one is very important because for reports and report cards, we need dates and we need the name of the exams, we need the name of the term, okay? And for report cards, we even need the opening date, right? So this one very important for reports. So you need just to select the year, okay? Just select the year here, or you can just type, then select the term, then you select the name of the exams, because the name of the exams you can either type or select this one which are already existing, okay? Or you can type the opening dates, you type in that format, month, day, year. Then you save changes, all right? Those are important for reports. Then you also have next term fee. Next term fee, just like fee balances is important for private schools where fee is going to be paid. So this one for public schools, this one is optional. So where you put the next term fee for each and every class. So for example, you can say baby next term fee or next year fee will be 5,000. Then PP1 it will be 6,500. Then PP2 it will be 7,000. Then grade 1 it will be 8,000. Then we feel that grade 1 up to grade 9 will pay the same amount. So you come here and copy it down. So just press this one. If you press this one, it will be copied down as you can see. So grade 1 fee is the same as grade 9, up to grade 9. Then if there are other charges, you can say termly charges like grade baby. Baby we have 500 for tea break. Then we also have 650 for tour. Then we have 800 for tour. Grade 1 we are paying 1,000 for admission. Then that one you copy down if at all you feel it is the same for all other classes. If it's not the same, you continue putting each class with their respective next term charges. Okay, then you save. Okay, so that one you will do when you are paying fee in private school. So that is next term fee. Then we also have school logo. The logo will appear in all reports, including report cards. Any report will have the school logo. So it's very important for you to change this one to your school. So you just click school logo button. Then you are being told, are you sure you want to upload school logo? You just say yes. So like let me say yes, then it will take you to file dialog where you will select the folder where you're keeping the logo. As you can see, logo is here. So I'll just select my logo, appropriate logo. Let me select this one. So we can select, let me select, okay, let me select this one here. This one is okay. So that one, then that is my school logo. So it will upload instantly without a problem. So ready, it's uploaded. So uh, then that one is school logo. Then we need to go to add phone numbers. So remember, the system will be able to send for you the results to parents of these particular students. So you need to come to add phone numbers so that all the phone numbers of the students in each class, we have them, all right? So for that one, we need to have, or we need to activate the phone book. So you will have, for example, grade 7, then you activate the phone book, okay? So activate phone book for grade 7. So that is where all the phone numbers will be listed. So like this one, we have already activated that. So you come here and say admission 1270, for example, then you tap enter. So when you tap enter, the details of that students will come, including the phone number, if it is there. If the phone number is not there, this field will be empty. So you just update, just put the correct phone number, or you can change, or you can update the existing phone number. Then you save. Then you go to the next student, maybe 1271. Then you update or change. You go to 1272, like that until you clear all the students in grade 7. Then you go to another class. All right, you can see how nice it is. So that is how you will be adding phone numbers. Then we also have exit button here. When you press exit button here, you are sure you are exiting the system and all details are being saved. So when you exit, all your data that you entered, everything is going to be saved. So that is for exiting the system. Then log out here is very important because it takes you to login form. If you want to revert to login window, you just press this one, then it will log you out. of the system. Then you will need to log in again. Okay. Then minimize here will allow you to continue with other things. Maybe when you are entering or you are doing other things on your laptop or computer, you need to minimize this one. Then you come back later, you open it up again. So this one is just to allow you to do other things. Okay. Then view database here. This one is for super admin. So the super admin will be able to view the database of all the modules. All right. So this one you are not able to view, but the super admin will be able to view everything. So that is for the back end people like the super admin. Then we have class list here. The class list is very important because it is for score entry, where the teachers will be able to enter the scores physically. Then maybe they can forward those score lists to the person in charge of exams or the DOS or anybody who is supposed to be entering the marks. Okay, so the physical entry is done on the class list. So this one you will be able to generate the class list. For example, if you want to generate class lists, okay, you just come to select the class, whichever class. Let me just demonstrate with grade 7. So you submit, right? You submit. So we are generating class list for grade 7. So here you are able to generate class lists based on the class you are selecting in this from this particular drop down. So that class is the one will have the class list generated. So you can see it has already given us the name of the class list, class 7 class list. All right. So where do you want to put it? You want to put it on the desktop. So once you put it on the desktop, it will tell you success grade preparation. So that's already done. So it's going to display it as well in the PDF format. So you can see it's a very nice part. Let me zoom it out. So when you zoom it out, you can see very nice. Our class 7 has got this number of students. So let me just have it zoomed. So you can see that is the class list. So it's dynamic, meaning depending on the number of students on that particular class, we'll have the table corresponding to that. If there are 1,000, then the table would have been long. All right. So for demonstration purposes, we have that number. So you can see that. So very nice. This is the exam, the grade 7, then the term, then the subject is here. The teacher will be able to put the subject here. So test 1, test 2, test 3 in a term, right? Then we have grade 7. So that is the list, right? So you can also continue and you rate the photo album if you like. Okay. So let's say we want the photo album for grade 7. So just continue and say, let us select grade 7. So it takes you there where you select the class, then you submit. So it's going to generate for you the photo album because we just actually we just made the photo album during the demonstration, and now we want to see how that photo album is. You can see this one is a notification, photo album printed successfully. So when you validate this one, you are sure it has been printed successfully. So you go to the, let us go to the desktop folder and check if there is a photo album created. Just check with me. Photo album, it is here, photo album created. So when you go inside there, you will have grade 7. So this photo album will carry any grade that you print. They will all be in this folder named photo album. So they will be listed as grade 7, grade 1, grade whichever grade you have printed. So let's see grade 7 because the one we have made. So the photo album for grade 7, you can see there's a unique number here. Meaning if you print another one, if you generate another one, it will also be listed in this particular same folder of grade 7, but with a different unique number. So now let us see how that folder looks like. I think it's zoomed in. Let me zoom it out so that it's okay. You can see very nice. So that is the photo album. So you are sure all those students have photos, all right? So that is how you can generate class list and photo album. So there's also that particular module where we enter marks. So for mark entry, for mark entry, you need to come here, enter marks. So in this particular module, each and every student or each and every subject will have marks entered. So you select the class. So let us select which class. You can select grade. Okay, you can select. Let us select baby. Then you can generate. There are 8 students. So you can see already the list and fields for entering marks already have been created. So it's dynamic, meaning if you select another class, the class list for that particular class will be generated. So let us have baby. So you just have baby like that. Then you will have to select the subject you want to enter marks. So you can see when you select baby, then the subjects for that class are the ones which are listed here. So we have reading. If you select reading, you can see already these are existing marks in the system. So you can just change them. Then when you are changing, you enter new marks. Okay. Then the new marks will override these other marks. Then you will come here and say post marks. When you select another subject, for example, social studies, then these are existing, just override them, then you post marks. Okay, for example, let us post mark for this one. So you have 56, 49. So you can see how we are overriding them. 41, 78. Those are now the new marks for that subject. 12. Then you post marks. So when you post marks, you wait for just a second for you to be able to. So now you can see marks have been saved successfully. Then you say okay. So that's how you'll be entering marks. All right. If you're changing another class, you can even refresh first. Then you change to another class. Maybe you want to enter now for class 1. When I say class 1, that is just grade 1. I mean grade 1. Then you have 8 students there. Then you will have the list for grade 1. Then you select the subject. Maybe it is subject 1. So the class 1 subjects have not been entered. That's why we have the general, the default name subject 1, subject 2, up to subject 7, because they take 7 at least. Okay, so then we didn't enter subject for class 1 or grade 1. So you can see the marks for subject 1 are this one. So you can do the same, then you post marks. Supposing, right? Supposing now there is a mark for a student which was wrongly entered, like for example, William Saran, maybe it is supposed to be 70, but we entered 56. So do you again come through this module? There is this one here, you can see this button here, post single score, post single score. So that is a situation where you want only to change maybe a score for one student. So you want to post single score. So you come here, okay? So the admission for this student is 1214. So we want to change this one to 70. So you just come to post score, okay? Post score. Then when you come to post score, it will force you to ensure that you've selected the class. So it is class 1, as you can see, which is grade 1. So just select grade 1 here. So grade 1, then select student. Once you've selected the class, all the students for that class will be listed here. So select the student. So we know that student was William. So William Saran, that's the student we want to change marks for. Then we load subjects for that particular grade. So when you come here, you will find the subject for that particular class. So it was subject subject 1. It was subject 1. So you just come and say subject 1. So subject 1, we want this boy to have 70. So then you post score. So we are sure William Saran will have, okay, it has already done. Score entered successfully for William Saran in subject 1. Very good. So you close. So we want to confirm. Just refresh. Let us just refresh. Then we select class 1, which is grade 1, generate. Then we want to see if that subject 1, the subject mark has been changed. So you can see it has changed to 7. So this one, very, very important, extremely important, because you'll be able to correct those marks one by one if there's an error somewhere. So that is why we put that particular module for correcting single marks. So someone can even, and if the students few, you can even enter marks one by one, which is, so it is your choice. You can post at once or you can enter one by one like that. So that is very, very important. So that's how you will be entering marks. Then we now have the reports module. This is where you will now give reports after doing all the analysis. Then you need, after doing all the entry of marks, all those data, you need to come and now do analysis. So we want to generate merit lists. So merit list for you can even get for baby. So baby we generate. So when you generate, then you are sure the merit list will be generated within a minute. So you can see it's already generated. So we expect it to be displayed. So you can see, very nice, very nice. So overall position, then stream position. So you can see it's a very nice analysis, great analysis. The class is here, baby class merit list. This is school and the details. So this one is the class. So it's baby class, but these are streams, baby B, baby A, baby B, baby A, and so on. The overall positions, class position, the performance are here. So you can see that is very nice. That's very nice. So it's already on the desktop. We'll look at those ones. Then you want to now generate the stream merit lists like baby B or baby A. So you just come and say baby, then we want now stream for the merit list for baby A. Where is baby A, baby A, baby A, for example? Then you generate. So we are now generating for baby A, okay? So you can see we need to put it on the desktop. So it's going to say great, okay? Then it's now displaying for baby A only. So you can see this one has displayed for baby A. So you can see very nice. The stream is here, baby A, and everything for that particular stream. Very nice. So you can also generate baby B if you want. So let us just demonstrate. So baby B. So it's going to be on the desktop. We look at them keenly if they are on the desktop. So successful. So it's only displaying. So already it has been displayed, as you can see. This one is now for baby B. You can see here baby B. Okay, the merit list for baby B. That is very nice. So that is how you can generate merit list. Overall merit list, then stream merit list. So let us look at stream grade analysis. So we have for grid analysis, let us look at okay, let us just choose on baby class. There's no problem. All of them will be generated in the same manner. So baby, then stream is baby A. Then we can generate. All right, we can generate grade analysis for that. So grade analysis will be able to see the number of approaching expectation, meeting expectation, exceeding expectation, and below expectation. So those are the grades. So as you can see, we now have this very beautiful analysis. You can see these are the grades. Exceeding expectation, meeting expectation, number of approaching expectation, number of students in below expectation, and these are the numbers. So we don't have zero, we don't have any exceeding expectation in baby class. Then 6 students are meeting expectation in baby class. Then 2 are approaching expectation. Then 0 is in below expectation. Then overall grade is 3, which is 53. Then when you look at baby A, because we were generating for baby A, so remember this one is having the stream and the overall. The second row here is for overall, then the third row here is for the stream that we selected. So you can see we have 4 members in that stream, then nobody is in exiting, meeting expectation 3, approaching 1, below 0, then 3, then 53. This is the graph for overall, this is the graph for that stream, which is BBA, right? So very nice, very nice. This one is very nice, you can see. Very nice. The date is here. So that is that. Then you can also view any stream that you want to view in any class, right? Then overall subject champions will give you the best in each and every subject. Let us view the best in, let's say, grade 5, the best students, grade 5. So already it's generated, so it's only displaying. So in grade 5, as you're able to see, we have these students as the best students in this subject. We have not added the subject in grade 5, so the subject names by default, we have subject 1 up to subject 8. So you can see these are the students leading in those subjects with this course, and the class positions are this one. And the report is very nice, as you can see, generated on this date. And it's very nice, you can see. Nice looking. Very good report, right? So that's subject champions. Let us view subject champions also in grade 8. Subject champions in grade 8. So grade 8, subject champions. I know grade 8 we have subjects. Yes, you can see grade 8. We now have the real subjects in grade 8. These are the students. These are the scores. And then these are the class positions. Very nice. So that's called subject champion list. Then let us look at overall subject ranking. Overall subject ranking will rank the subjects in accordance with the performance. In accordance with the performance. So subject ranking, grade 8, grade 8 subject ranking. So it's already generated, it's only displaying now. So for grade 8, this is the subject ranking. So very nice report. So you can see junior secondary school or junior school. So these are the subjects, averages, the overall grades, then the performance levels, as you can see, then the rank. So with this one, it means creative arts and sports is ranking number one, okay, in that particular class. And those are the other ranks for those other subjects. Okay, so the last subject is English, which is actually approaching expectations, rank 9. So you can see this report is very nice. So you can generate subject ranking for all the classes. Then we have report card generation. So for report card generation, which is very, very important, and this one is the most liked module because it will give the summary for performance for each and every student in that particular school in that term. So you can simply select grade 8, then grade 8, then you will say bulk PDF. That means you want to generate all the report cards for grade 8. Okay? So this one is just to generate the report cards PDF. Then all of them will be put in a folder. So there will be one PDF which will combine all the report cards for all those students, which you can print on a button click. All right. So we have included a merged copy, a merged document for all the report cards. The reason why we need to put that one is for printing purposes, so that you don't print one by one, but you just print it on a button click, then all those report cards will be generated one by one from the printer. Okay. Then you can also share. You can also share all those report cards which are in the PDF format. Then here is a printer option where you just click, then your computer should be connected to a printer, so the report cards will be printed instantly in bulk from your system. Okay, then here you can print single report card. If at all there's a problem or there's you need to print another report card for one student, then you come here, then you can print. So let us demonstrate with grade 8, or you can use baby. We can okay, let us use baby. Okay, then bulk print. So where do we want to keep that report card folder? In the desktop. So we are now going to generate one by one. Right, has started generating. So as you can see, the process is successful and everything is well. So just validate. So we are sure we have already generated the report cards for baby. All of them are in one folder, and we will look at them. Then this one is for print. I'm not connected to printer currently. Then this one single. Maybe you can demonstrate for single. So for single, we just come to single. Then you choose the class. Maybe the class is baby. Then we want to generate for 1260. Oh, sorry. Here we select after selecting the class baby. After selecting baby, then all the students in baby will be already will be listed here. So let's say we want to print single for Sarah. Okay. So once you've selected Sarah, you can now generate. So when you generate, are you sure you wish to save as PDF file? Yes. So we are generating for Sarah, single document or single report card for Sarah. Okay. So you can see the baby report card has been printed as PDF and saved on the desktop. So it's already saved for that particular student. So we can print single like that. All right. Then this last one is this last report is photo album. This one already we had already demonstrated that this one when we were using class list and we saw the photo album. All right. So that is the reporting module. Then we have send SMS. So for sending SMS, actually you need to have everything ready. Your phone, then you have to have push bullet account where you have the tokens. So the push bullet must be on your phone that you're going to use, and it should also be on your computer where the system is running. So like for example, let me take you here. Then we can have push bullet, push bullet, push bullet. Minimize that one for the time being. Let us come to send SMS. So click here for quick SMS setup. Ignore if already done. So this one will lead you to push bullet if you are not already signed up. So just click here. You sign up and you. So this one is push bullet. So you just sign up if you have an account. If you still don't have an account, just sign up. All right. Or you sign in if you have an account. So because I have an account, let me just sign in. So let me sign in with Google. So then push bullet account will have our API from that particular one. Okay, this is my account. So you will have go to settings. So in the settings, here in the settings, you will have to create access token. Okay, you create the access token. Then after creating the access token, you will be able to copy it. Like now I've created it, it's here. So just copy this one. I've copied, then come back with it into the system. Okay, the system here, then paste it here. Then device ID, this is the device ID. Device ID, just go back to devices is here, devices. Then this is the name of your mobile phone. Click on it. Then when you click on it, up here you will see some thing like that. So take only the last part, this last part here, copy it. So that is your device ID. Go back into the system, then paste it into device ID. Then you save that one. So when you save, those are the details that we need to do during setup. So it has already been saved. So we are sure we can now send SMS. So you can now come and say send SMS. So you want to send SMS for which class? Let me send for maybe okay baby, or maybe class 7. Let us send for baby. Then you send. Then you send. So the system is now sending SMSs. So when it is true, it will give you notification. So that is the module for sending SMS. Very important when it comes to sending results to parents. Okay. So you can see I'm actually receiving them. They're in my phone. The ones I have registered using my number, they are just coming to my phone. just as demonstration. Okay, so success result has been sent successfully, so it means all the results have been sent successfully. Okay, you can see like this one here. You can see this SMS here. These are the ones. So you can see those are result SMS. They are the ones in my phone. They are still tricking in. So you can see how they are. This is the school. End term exams. Students is electroscopia. Accord. Class is baby class. Stream baby A. Reading 20. Maths 45. Science 74. Social studies 56. Home science 45. Average is 48. Mark is 240. That's the total marks. Overall position is 7. Class position is 4. So because I use my number for all the students just for demonstration, you can see I've received, as a parent, I've received all the reports from my student. The first one is for Eloscovia. The second one is for Willis. The third one is for Willis because I used my number, two of my numbers. So the other one is Brenda King. So you can see all the students have got their messages where I use my number. So that one shows you that the result sending is 100% successful. Okay. Then the last one is backup. Backup will help you to back up the system itself for future reference. Maybe you want the term has ended, all the years ended, so you can back up for that term or for that year. So just come here, backup, then you will be able to back it up. Okay, it asks you, are you sure you wish to create backup copy of this system? You say yes. So when you say yes, backup file, just come to desktop. You create backup. There's a folder named backup folder, so you can save it inside that folder. So if it is done, it will notify you. So you can see very efficient system for CBC. Okay. So as you can see, it has already notified us that backup file created successfully. Then you say, okay, or validate. So you've created backup. All right. So that is the system, CBC exam results analysis and report card generation with SMS. Can see colleagues, it's very nice. Thank you very much for watching. But before we close, we need to just exit and then maybe view those reports. Let me just exit because the reports were on the dashboard on the desktop, all right? So we can either exit or log out just to view, all right? So let me exit. So we say yes. So we have already existed the system. So you can see all these are reports that we were generating. They were coming on the desktop. So this one is the backup folder. You can see our backup folder here. This is the one we just backed it up. So this is the backup. In case of anything, we have our data kept there. Okay. So then here we have the 7 class lists, the class list which we actually printed, the class list grade 7. So that is the class list there. So the class list. Then we also have a photo album. So you can see it's a album. So grade 7, you are able to see that we have the photos for the students who are there. So you can see that the photo album you can view. Then we also have a stream merit list for baby A. This one here, stream merit list for baby A. So you can see that is very nice. Then again we have stream merit list for baby B. You can see that is very nice. That is for baby B, very nice. Then you can also look at this report here, stream grade analysis for no, subject champions for grade 5. Subject champions for grade 5. Will let us view. Very nice. Can see. Very nice. That is subject champions. We didn't enter subject for grade 5. Then subject champions for grade 8. This one is very nice. We entered subjects. That's why this subjects here. These are the leaders. Then we have the scores and the class position, and the report looks nice. Then we have subject ranking for grade 8. So grade 8 subject ranking, very nice, very nice. Okay. Then we have a report card for baby. So when you look at this report cards for baby, each student has got his or her report cards generated, and then there is one copy which is called merged PDF. So this one contains all the report cards in merged copy, so that when you want to print, you don't want to print this one, you print the next, you print. No, you just come to merged PDF, then print at once on button click, then all of them will be generated. So this one is for single. Let me demonstrate view the single one. So when you look at the single, it looks very nice with the photo. You can see the photo, the student photo is already up here. All the details, performance, remarks, everything, very nice. Principal remark, all these signatures and etc. Very nice report card. You can see that. Then there is one report card here that we want to open it. It contains all these report cards in a merged PDF. You can see, I want to show you. So you can see this one here, the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, the seventh one. So it means you can even share this. You can print this document as one at once. Okay, just by clicking this one, all of them will be printed at once from the printer. So the merged copy is very, very crucial, and you have seen that is very important. Then we have this one, the single report card that we printed. You can print single as well, and you can see for Sarah, this is the one, and you can see it was printed very nicely. This is the one. Don't worry about the photos. The photos are just for demonstration. So you can see. So a photo can be for female or male, or they can be anywhere. That just for demonstration. So this one is the for single one we printed. So you can see this exam analysis is very, very great tool, colleagues. I thank you for watching. Until next time, may God bless you.